Alright guys, so hello and welcome to Nat Tech. So today quickly I am going to be running with you on tips as to how you can start your YouTube channel. And I've always told you guys, this is not my first channel. You can look at this channel right here. It's my fashion channel and I have done over 27,000 subscribers on this channel. I think it's a little achievement that should give me some level of experience, okay, to talk about what I'm talking about right now. Because I'm not talking about theory. I'm talking about practicals, and I'll be sharing my experience with you on how I began and how I've gotten to where I am now. And also, I'm going to be giving you tips. I'll talk about some apps that you need, all right, for you to start running your YouTube channel. It's very simple, guys. If you're interested in this content, hit the subscribe button below, subscribe to this channel, and share the video, guys. Thank you so much. All right, so now, what is the first thing you need to know, right, for you to start a YouTube channel? Number one, you have to identify a niche. What's a niche? Your area of interest, what you want to focus on, what you want to be doing on your channel. For instance, like the other channel I showed you guys, it's a fashion channel. And what am I doing there? I'm simply teaching fashion, all right? That's it. So anything about cutting, sewing, pattern drafting, anything about tailoring, is on that channel. It's a fashion niche, all right? And on this channel, I am teaching how you can start and grow your YouTube channel. I've also, identified it a niche. Okay, so anyone that is looking for how to start and grow YouTube channel, the person can simply come to my channel and have all the knowledge there. So that is how you identify a niche. So yours can be catering. You want to be showing your cooking skills, all right? You can be let's say graphic design. You want to be teaching how to do some minor graphics work here and there. You can be artistic. You want to be drawing some things, paintings and all that. Identify a niche. That is number one. Once you identify what you want to be doing on your channel, number one step, you have finished number one step. The second step now is you creating your YouTube channel. Now it is very, very simple to create a YouTube channel. All you need is just your email, all right? And you go on YouTube. There's a video on this channel on how to create a YouTube channel. Please check in my videos, all right? You will see that video on how to, or check in the description. There's a link to that video. Click it, and you will see how you can start or create a YouTube channel. It is very simple. So it's going to create your channel. After you create your channel, what's the next thing? There are some few apps that you need to have an idea about them. One, you need to have an idea about an editing app. And there are a lot of editing apps. You have InShot, you have Canva, a lot of them. But for me, I use InShot. And you don't need to be like a professional using InShot. There are just some basic things you need to know. How to trim a video, how to add a write-up to a video, how to add, just minor things. Of course, I'm going to be dropping a video on how to use your InShot for to do minor editings, okay? Very important. It can be Canva, all right? Just know how to. And the most interesting thing is that all this I'm talking about, if you want to learn how to use InShot, there are still videos on YouTube here that you can come and just check. Google it, search them on YouTube, how to use InShot, and the videos are there. You will watch them, you will have the knowledge, you will go back and do what? Begin to use InShot or Canva or whichever app at all you want to use. All right. Another app you must have an idea about is the Pixel Lab. Not necessarily Pixel Lab, but me, I use Pixel Lab. What is Pixel Lab app used for? It is used for thumbnails. Of course, you know that a YouTube channel without a good thumbnail, YouTube videos without good thumbnails won't help. The thumbnail is the one that captivates, drags, captures the attention of the viewers before they click on your video, right? So I use the Pixel Lab for my thumbnails. The Pixel Labs help you, to design your thumbnails. And even that one, there are templates on Pinterest, okay? And there are videos online on how to use Pixel Lab. You can still check them on YouTube here, and you see those videos on how to do what? Use Pixel Lab, all right, to design minor catchy thumbnails. These things are very simple, guys. Another app you need, all right, is the video compressor, all right? And that one, there's even nothing there. Just download the app from a Play Store. After you finish working on your videos in InShot or Canva, you take them to the compressor. You compress them into a smaller size so that you can download and people can You can upload and people can download easily. Chicken, noise reducer, the app you use it for to reduce the noise after you finish working on your video in case there is noise anywhere. Even this one, I'm going to reduce the noise when I'm done. All right. Then, guys, this is one thing now that a lot of people are confused about. All right. The issue of starting wherever you are. If people think you must have ring light, you must have a digital camera, you must have one kind of, no, you don't need those kind of gadgets to start your channel. Believe me, up to now I'm still recording with my phone. It's my phone I'm recording this video with. All right, it's my phone, no camera. So you must not wait until you have camera, you have ring light, you have all the gadgets. No, of course you will grow to a point where you have all those gadgets. But you must not wait until you have all those gadgets before starting your YouTube channel. You can start with your phone, all right? As simple as that. I started with my phone. Up to now, my other channel, which is this fashion channel, has about 27,000 subscribers at least. That's something. But up to now, I've not started using digital cameras. I use my phone, right, to record. Even right now, I'm still using my phone. So it's very, very easy like that. Not so the issue of uploading. People complain, I don't have money for data, I don't have money to pay. If I want somebody, if I don't have money to do YouTube, I wonder, which money are you talking about? Like, seriously? There are packages, like for instance, there are packages at night that you can just use 15 naira to do an all-night package, or 100 naira to do a package. If you use 100 naira, you can get like 500 MB. Okay, now how many videos you want to upload that you cannot upload with 500 MB? Or how many videos to download on YouTube to watch that you cannot download 500 MB? Can you see this? Very simple. So there are night packages that with them you can actually download or stream or upload as many videos as you want, guys. Right? So they show I don't have money for YouTube. It actually makes me think, is because you don't know, guys. So you don't really need that kind of money, all right, to start a YouTube channel. You only need to be online at night with your 100 naira for MTN. I don't know about other networks, but for MTN, 100 naira can give you up to 500 MB of night package. You can just dial this 606 and you follow the instruction and you get your subscription very cheap and it runs through the night. All right, so once you identify your niche, okay, and you have an idea on how to use these simple apps, okay, and you can subscribe a little at night, guys, you are good to go. You don't need to have all the gadgets in the world, like I've said before. Guys, if this video is making sense, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and share the video, like the video, drop a comment, and if you have any questions, guys, please ask. All right, as for me, any knowledge I've gotten on YouTube, I'm willing to give it out. Okay, so if you have questions for me, drop the questions. As long as I have answers to them, I will answer you. Okay, the aim is for everybody to get financial freedom. Okay, that's the aim. Get financial freedom. The finance on YouTube is for everybody. It's not for one person. It's not a knowledge to sit and hide it. Okay, because even if you are cashing out 10 billion on this YouTube channel every month, even if everybody is cashing out in billions, like the money will continue to increase. All right, so it's a good thing that a lot of us are cashing out on YouTube. All right, so that's why I don't hide knowledge. I don't hide the knowledge. So any question you have, drop it for me and I'll do well to answer all your questions as much as I can. All right, so what are you waiting for? I expect that the next time you are seeing my video, you're not just seeing them with your channel, but you are seeing them after starting your own. By then you would have started your own YouTube channel. And also call on to me, drop questions. If you have any question, I'm available to answer your questions. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.